The Order of the Tower is awarded to individuals whose exemplary service and support have advanced the mission of the University of Nebraska at Omaha. Today, we are honored to recognize both Mr. Paul and Mrs. Djel Brown for the contributions and support that they have made in advancing UNO through the support of the UNO Marion Marsh Brown Writers Lecture Series. The Browns have generously donated the funds to create the Marion Marsh Brown Writers Lecture Series, which is an event that is hosted annually by UNO and by the College of Communication, Fine Arts, and Media. The Browns' mission with this series is to celebrate the joy of reading by bringing well-known favorite writers to UNO. During the event, best-selling authors deliver a free lecture to the Omaha community and also host a forum for UNO students, which enables our students to directly learn from these authors, to hear of their best practices, their recommendations, and of course, to have an opportunity for questions and answers. Past best-selling authors have included John Grisham, Cheryl Strayed, Lee Child, and Nicholas Sparks, all of whom spoke to fully packed audiences at UNO's Baxter Arena. Our next author that we'll bring to UNO will be Mr. David Baldacci. The Marion Marsh Brown Writers Lecture Series was created for Mr. Brown's mom, Marion Marsh Brown, who was a longtime teacher of English here at UNO. Additionally, she wrote and published 19 books, which earned her numerous honors, including the Sauer Award and the Library Guild Award. Mr. and Mrs. Brown felt that this event was the best way to honor Marion's memory and to highlight UNO in our community. Mr. Paul Brown is an attorney and a real estate developer. Mrs. Djel Brown received both her bachelor's and master's degree here from UNO. She taught at OPS for 7 years and then at Metropolitan Community College for 13 years. The Browns have made many contributions to the Omaha community, including the Omaha Home for Boys, Lauritsen Gardens, and the Museum of Nebraska Art, just to name a few. For these commitments and for their super generous contributions to UNO, the Marion Marsh Brown Writers Lecture Series, and to the Omaha community, the University of Nebraska at Omaha bestows upon Mr. Paul and Mrs. Djel Brown the Order of the Tower Award this 18th day of December 2020, with all of the rights and privileges thereto. Thank you and congratulations on this honor.